World Cup qualifying jacket this evening. Yes, Qatar 2022 beckons as our World Cup qualifying campaign begins at the Azteca Stadium in Mexico City. But you know, say, I'm going to go bigger picture this evening and ask this question. How many times have Jamaica gotten points from Mexico at the Azteca? How many times? I remember one time, that 0-0 draw in the qualifying for the 2014 World Cup. Other than that, it's mostly 6-0 and 5-0, including when we qualified in 1998. So I'm saying all of this to say that this game, of all the 14 games on the schedule, is the one where we are least likely to get anything. Any points we get from this fixture would be a bonus point. Yes. So while being hopeful and optimistic, let us also be careful and realistic. It would be great if we get a point in Mexico. It would be a public holiday if we get all 3. But realistically, aside from these 3 points in the Azteca, we have 39 more gettable points from the 42 available in this final round. So regardless of the results tonight, please, nobody jump off of the wagon. We need You line up yourself to watch a match. So Jamaica, we say, Cheetah, and the World Cup jacket, this.